Alright, let's talk about the Blackview Mega 3. Is this the ultimate budget tablet for tech lovers, or just another forgettable slab? First off, for $300, the specs are impressive. You get a massive 12.1-inch IPS LCD display, rocking a sharp 1600 by 2560 resolution and a comfy 16:10 aspect ratio. That 84.5% screen-to-body ratio, it draws you right in, whether you're binging shows or getting some work done. It's slim too, just 7.4 mm thick and 555 grams. I've carried heavier books. Under the hood it's running Android 15, plus Blackview's DocOS 4.1 skin. That means you're getting a super current OS with some handy extra features. The new MediaTek Helio G100 chip, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. It all adds up to a tablet that feels snappy for everyday stuff, media, and even a bit of light gaming. And if you want more space, just pop in an SD card for up to 2 terabytes. Cameras? There's a 50-megapixel main sensor with autofocus, and a 13-megapixel selfie cam, both shooting crisp 1080p video. Not exactly pro gear, but more than enough for video calls and snapping pics. Audio is solid too, 4 speakers for that stereo punch. Connectivity checks all the boxes, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, even FM radio if you're feeling nostalgic. And battery life? With 8,800 milliamp hours and 33-watt charging, this thing just keeps going. All in all, for $300, the Blackview Mega 3 brings a lot to the table. If you're after a feature-packed, modern tablet without breaking the bank, this might just be your best bet. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.